kartop chi baile vek ule vo inchu weekend te thiantinen mangin kan chuak ve a hun nuam tak te man tumin kan chuak ve a chopchil dewin kan han rel thuta brunch turin kan kal chuak dona tuna hianin kan kal meka zing ka thotlai awangin ka chhuat ma ka insiam lai le ti te engma ka ron la man lawa chopchil takin ta kar chunga hianin kan engemo kan record kwal ve te vel mai mai a kan chol na mun te kan kal na te kharon dinanga min lo en sak le cheu don nia o
touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds' colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Even in dark skies, your light remains through every storm. You ease my pain, a rhythm of hearts. No need to pretend, this love story will never end. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease.
This meta business, like for example, Instagram and Facebook. This is under with the Meta, right? But YouTube is separate. You can monetize here. You don't have to open from UK or USA or somewhere else. You can just open from here. You can be paid here.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it.
I'm in. For real, I'm in.
Business deal. Oh, mashallah, we just have a business deal. This is Sheila. So yeah, soon we will be doing podcasts. So okay, what we'll be talking about in your podcast? What do you have in mind?
Like me, what I had in mind was like talking about like a story time. Every people sharing, like we're talking about things that happen around us. Yeah, I think kind of like similar to what I have in mind. What I have in mind is more of giving the audience.
Yeah.
You understand? They share their stories.
So hey, kachianu hianin podcast ni kalong ta kamo. Chuanin podcast po kakangon tan may kaya. Andi hinay Nigerian. Podcast kan ron chân ani chuanin English kan ron sino na itaw like that. Is over again is over caption it.
Okay, Melanie.
Yeah, mo into branching kan suaka. I already told you I don't do live. Asking me. Let's try. It smells nice. You should, yeah, you should try. Okay. See, it's a real pretty one. Okay. Nice. It's very nice. No, I add the chili, of course. It's not spicy.
Oh, okay.
This is chicken. You want to try the chicken?
Oh, please enjoy.
Oh, you have your lobster. All right. Oh, okay, yeah. But this was last week. Let's see. Atuim. Jangan bilang dia wag hipok choy.
Selling the girls also.
Soup try ang chili oil lang ha dia lang. Sesame tin ni nan siya niya. Atuim nito. Kaya na Trump to, kaya alam bang dia so siyang puring sa kiyama. Kaya ayun siyang sakay. Abintin de amazing. John hay beef pork and try it.
Like
Maybe the blue hotel restaurant dito. Chúng ta sống bên đây trong cái nền hông cho nó crunchy, đã sống bên đây trong cái đào lê trên thì chẳng thì cái so cái atoy thì cũng có cheers video.
we're just experimenting on whatever brings us free. Okay. Cheers video.
A stream pa hiya atoy.
Which one? The passion fruit.
Yeah, passion fruit is always nice.
See this goes. You don't know which one is this. Okay, this is this one. Which one? This is oh, this is a Titanic. Yes, so this is a mojito. Yes.
I think I'm still good with this ginger.
Yes, this is yes. Obviously, that's the best ginger. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Ginger, kanebo, wine. Ay, mojito, right? This one is mojito. And hibiscus. Hey, hito ko midumpar kan tiamci katiro. Yeah, midumpar. Hibiscus so midumpar nita. Chuanin hito hibiscus midumpar chongina niya. Minoli. Passion fruit. You still have the passion fruit, right?
That's the one.
This one is the no. Just the color is different.
This is the same.
Oh, this one is also passion fruit. Yeah.
This is the mojito one. This is ginger.
So he said
This is a ginger margarita.
margarita. Yeah, not mojito, margarita.
Something like that.
Sayo.
Oh my God. So AK.
That's right.
Yeah.
Tell her, ladies.
Thank you.
Let her know.
Margarita nita ginger. So tinga tanga margarita an siyama niya tuanin pakataka. Hibiscus kanti tu midumpar ka anita ni.
High tonic.
Yeah, hibiscus high tonic ka midumpar tanga an siyama nita tuanin. Passion na ka hey sap hey te ka atel ta hey MIZO ina kan nei ang chi vek ka kha he kan siam be the vek ang kha ni ta chuan hei ginger
Apart from taking
margarita ni hei ka tu lu tu pa mo
sweet, the tea. Really?
hei chu wine yeah rose wine na niya
I eat plenty of food with you.
Yeah, I do. I just the same.
chuan hei hi chu noodle hot pot noodle la mi kha ti hang ka pal ta chuanin pe engzan nge mi pakhat mana yang kan pe
Yeah, me too.
don kan bil tur kha
Yeah.
Hey, zanga money.
zangaman na nita drinks tenen hiani na nita ni zangaman kami pakhat share nita zanga chu katari real zanga nita katari real zanga chu 10,000 something is it exactly i-calculate mi oh karon da okay 13,121 real mi pakatana nita chuanin 12 atangin an hong chana du kha cho kha kan la theya i ti shang seafood tele khatia atam lu tu ringot khatiang ang dessert thleng te khani na ni darli thleng hi kan du za kan ei theya kan in thei boka kan package kanin
Your day off.
drinks kha kan ti telawang khanin
Your day off.
mi pakatan zangania son 12 atanga darli thleng ka dar kar nga angani chu kami chung khanin kan du kan ein kan in thei ta aman chu at off lem lova ama ero chu engene it's worth it a pu ni chumo chuanin tuna kanom na him
I'm working on
W hotel ang kita hotel restaurant
That's
kita
why I
ni
can drink only until 6. Because tomorrow I might have a call test. Oh my god. So that's why I'm drinking as much as I can.
Oh my God, it's not easy.
Sheila, I would die if I fly like
I
them.
have phobia of flights, like
Me-
every time. And then I'm always scared. Really?
I can never get used to it.
I swear.
The landing, the takeoff, the landing,
Yeah,
especially the
yeah.
takeoff and the landing. I still need to close my eyes and like
Yeah.
hold myself like this.
And you guys do it every day, like.
Yeah, sometimes 4 times a day. I feel double sick.
Oh my God, yes. Take off landing, take off landing. Aunties enjoy the.
I'm very
So guys,
fascinated.
Sheila nen hian podcast kan on siam do na
Yeah.
yeah.
We're talking about like starting a podcast together. So you guys should stay tuned, okay? We have a lot coming.
Yes.
Okay, so you'll be seeing more of us together. We're going to bring more fun, okay? So just stay engaged for our new channel, okay?
So yeah, that's Sheila kan siya nuan niya. Ani nen kanin podcast kan ron ti do na ni i account shan kan ron siam do na chu heta hianin karon da anga engeni ate yang ema hi edit tour ber kani khachuanin engeni mizo chong te pokanin atwaya kan mizo chong kanin da dan tha atam the yang beron sia dan tha kalo ngai to anga achan chu mizo chong a sia thiam lo wangin mizo chong in kan chong thei don lowa account shan ni dona kha fo kam min lo subscribe pa min lo en sak le chin tu chewin karon ngen don chewa min lo support le chu don nia so yeah kasai le do chu in chu off day ania chuanin he baby te an lo off ka minoli de Sheila tele me pathian
Stop the music song.
Katiang ho ka kan ni yeah wo in chu brunch baby hian in ni sana aron rot to the brunch nei kha kan han ti chop chu kan ya kan lim khop mai noam kan ti Dessert chen cut karon ti lang nga hi mango tart. Hi sticky rice, mango sticky rice, cheesecake. Tuanin adang po tihang kanon da nga karon ti lang. Oh.
Gossip. Tapos gossip ko siya lang.
You don't know the name? Hello, hello. This is AK.
What up, man?
Hi, one and only AK.
What the guan? Is that live? What?
No, not live.
Still live.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Oh.
Fine. It's not wrong, but it's fine.
This is nice.
Yeah.
Oh, one in. Yeah.
Oh, third.
Video, wait.
Okay, one in.
One each.
Yeah.
Oh my god. How does it taste?
Alian. Eclairs. Strawberry eclairs, yeah? Oh. Oh.
Michael. Yeah, he's from Kenya. I don't know. It was that really like we need to know the flag. You know, because I just came from Uganda, Quebec. So I saw something that looks similar. I was like, you're from Uganda? He's like, no, I'm from Kenya. Nice.
Sticky rice mango.
It's just okay. I'm broke, but it's still good.
Patong telo, ano yun?
Oh my god, you got
Hibiscus to, Tunkar hihinihin. Strawberry.
it. Makes sense. But that's what
Hibiscus ka, ano a taste of not on strawberry, a slice of bukatsuma hemon. Strawberry, iba seti akanin na tuitok. Oh, that's a good idea. Ay, tamihim. Tamihim. Raspberry. Kawain le. Ka margarita, ka mixin doon. Can mix, huh?
yeah, this is my favorite too. Top notch. Oh my god, it's ash. Not bad, but
It's not bad, but
that's the way it tastes. It tastes-
yeah.
But we tried this one. Yeah.
Baby's cocktail.
Yeah, this tastes sweet.
Sweet. I think the ginger margarita is just perfect, you know?
Yeah, it's a little.
It's not too sweet. I don't like something that's too sweet. Not bad. Ginger margarita ka kan punde de ushita tamde ulit sokin mo kan taste lang. This is good. Try.
Ladies, how y'all doing?
Sinoli, are you ready? Sitting along, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm sure we'll get many angles. Thank you so much.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your